Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhpr.com or call 541-884-1343. This Victorian-style home has so many possibilities. Many improvements have been made, but still could use your custom style, bringing it back a traditional Victorian. Dining area has wooden built-ins with overhead fan, wainscoting in the front room, lots of wood molding. Large panty off the kitchen plus a laundry room with half bath. Upstairs there is a cute window bench, 3 bedrooms and large bathrm with both soaking tub and shower. Fenced backyard with outbuilding and detached garage. Great Lakeview location.